This is question number 51, GATE 2014 Metallurgical Engineering question paper. The important factors for producing low silicon pig iron in blast furnace are: option A is higher temperature and higher basicity, option B is lower temperature and lower basicity, option C is lower temperature and higher basicity, option D is higher temperature and lower basicity. So if you look at these reactions where the silica reacts with carbon, which is basically carbon from the coke, gives rise to silicon in pig iron. So if this reaction is taking place, we are getting higher silicon in pig iron, and for every reaction there is some delta G, like the free energy change is associated with every reaction. So let's assume that for this delta G is A minus BT, where T is the temperature. So let's say if we increase the temperature to a very high value, then the delta G will be negative, as you can see from the equation. So if delta G is negative, this reaction will be more and more favorable. So you will end up getting more silicon in your pig iron. So to retard this reaction, we require less temperature or lower temperature. And if you consider second reaction, where silica reacts with lime, as you know, it's a very highly basic. So if these two reacts, it will give rise to Ca2SiO4. So rather than this silicon going inside the pig iron, it will form a certain compound which is basically Ca2SiO4, and it will join the slag. Hence you will have less silicon in your pig iron. Hence the correct option is option C. Correct option is option C, where the lower temperature is there to retard silicon in pig iron and higher basicity is required to form this compound which will join slag, and less silicon will be there in the pig iron. So the correct answer is option C.